Living things found in desert, part of the earth where there is sandy soil, shortage of water, and vegetation is called desert. It receives little rainfall. Only such animals and plants which can live on the small amount of water can survive here. Days are extremely hot and nights are very cold in the desert. Rats, snakes, scorpions, and camels are desert animals. The camel can live without water for several days. Moreover, it can easily walk on the sand due to its flat feet. Cactus plant grows in desert. This plant has thick stem which stores water. Its bark is also thick so that stored water remains safe.